Hey, business owners! Struggling to keep up with your digital marketing? Don't worry, I've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing A-Square Solutions, your all-in-one digital partner. We'll design websites that not only look good but actually work to convert your visitors into customers. Need to grow your social media presence? We've got you covered with social media strategies that engage, excite, and build your audience. And let's talk about emails. Ever wonder how some brands seem to nail it every time? Well, we'll help you get your email game on point, keeping your customers in the loop and wanting more. Oh, and you won't have to worry about being found online either. With our SEO expertise, we make sure your business gets the visibility it deserves. Looking for results from ad campaigns? We'll create targeted ads on Google, Facebook, Instagram, and beyond, so you can sit back while we do the heavy lifting. And if you're into analytics and blockchain, yes, we do that too, because A-Square Solutions is all about future-proofing your business. From web development to SEO, email marketing, ad campaigns, and beyond, A-Square Solutions simplifies your digital journey so you can focus on what matters most: growing your business.